This side of Benidorm has absolutely no hotels, but what it does have is a comfortable train station as well as typical traditional Spanish businesses. So many cheap bars, bakeries, barber shops, and many, many more are hiding in this specific area of Benidorm town. And in today's video, we'll show it to you guys. First of all, right here in front of us, that's where we're starting today's video, is the tram station. This is how the tram looks like. And these can bring you either up to Denia, which is north, or south towards the city of Alicante. There's also bus line number 1, which circulates around the town that can bring you here. And here it shows where we're actually located and all different paths with different types of buses or trams where to actually go. This side right here is also where the Wednesdays market is located. Right here behind these buildings, there is a giant parking lot which is used for a Wednesday market. Here is where fruit, vegetables, plants, different types of foods, marinated ones, freshly pressed orange juice, chocolate with churros, and much, much more is actually able to be purchased. And this is a typical traditional Spanish market. Not a lot of tourists go here simply because it's not that touristy. But if you're looking for an authentic experience during your holidays, this is one of the best things that you can do. Go to this market and feel yourselves as a local. Even though this is a residential area, some of the best bars and cheap bars are located here nearby. This is oriented for nationals, which know the price of things and they'll never ever go to an expensive place. Bars like these ones, nothing fancy, something typical, something that's been here. Neighborhood bars, let's call it like this. Let us know if you have something like this in your country. Typical neighborhood place that's not fancy, that is a clean place, but it's not whole brand new wooden furniture or something very eccentric or design oriented, something where my husband's already talking to people. Something that's oriented for locals mostly, but where you can actually find some of the best foods, snacks, and quite cheap drinks. In these types of places, a lot of the times, coffee still costs around €1. And boy, this is something rare to find. Tattoo shops out here. Look at that. That's interesting. Press-on nails. Press-on nails, laminating, and many more things. Micro-pigmentation, which is like microblading. Wow. Clinic, another... What kind of clinic is this? Podol... Oh, okay, this is a feet clinic in case you need it during your holidays. More bars here about and around. These are whole entire life neighborhood bars. People know each other. People come here for a coffee every single morning. For some reason, people seem to love to have breakfast inside of bars. This is like a Spanish thing. Maybe it's not only here. Maybe it's in other places too, like Italy or France or other places on the Mediterranean. But that's a very curious thing. People, a lot of the times, don't, whether they don't have time to have breakfast at home or they don't have ingredients or they just don't want to, people go here to nearby bars for some nice coffee. Even if it's just coffee, that's where people go. Some nice bars right next to the train station, which is right here on the left side. The brand newly refurbished part and access. This is one of the main access points towards Benidorm. A lovely area that's way better looking right now. Some supermarkets. This is a typical supermarket. It's called Udaco, and there's plenty of them in Benidorm town. Some people think that it's a 24-hour supermarket, but it's actually not the case. This is a supermarket that's more for extra things to buy if you forgot something, if you need something close to your home, or just some snacks, some drinks, water, etc. But you don't want to go to a bigger supermarket, then that's a place to go. It's slightly more expensive than Aldi, Lidl, or like other typical supermarkets where locals buy groceries in general. But it's not as expensive as 24-hour ones. We normally do not usually frequent this area unless we have to go to the market out here, or we need to do some kind of official documents, which we usually do for our clients for migration consulting company, if we have to go to the police or any other different documentation that's here in the nearby places, because there is tax agency here, there's social security, and there's many other administrative buildings in this specific area. Obviously, there's also pharmacies, there's banks, there's real estate, there's schools, etc. There's also sports area for all the locals and for their kids to go after school activities. But the bars, the local ones, are the best thing of this neighborhood. Trust me. Here nearby, there's also local bakeries. These tends to have typical Spanish products. This is like a whole life bakery. See, it's nothing fancy, but it has freshly baked bread. It has croissants. Spanish love croissants, even though it's not a Spanish thing. But they put ham and cheese inside, and it's incredible, especially if it's toasted. Croissants with almond cream inside. Oh, that's absolutely delicious. And that is a typical Spanish thing. There's plenty of other sweets and baked goodies that are typical Spanish that can be purchased in these types of bakeries. Almond cakes. There's bollo de San Blas, which traditionally is baked not a whole year long, but a few times of a year. And some bakeries even put it for a whole year out here. As you can see, no hotels, no touristic accommodation options in this specific neighborhood, simply because it is slightly further along from the beach. It's true that it's located by the tram station, but I guess that tourists just wants to stay closer towards the city center, right? And people just don't want to be that far away, or have to grab a bus to go to the beach, or to the Tapas Alley, or the British Street, or Rincon de Loix, and to all the typical places that they like to visit. So no hotels and no touristic apartments out here. Yes, two great businesses that are located here nearby, cheap businesses that are located here nearby. This is actually a very nice option for those who want to have a glance at something cheap, authentic, real for your holidays. More bars such as this one, Gastro Bar, full. If you see one very important tip, if you see many people, Spanish mostly, on the terrace grabbing some drinks and some snacks, just so that you know, this is the place to visit. Spanish know the deal. They know perfectly well if it has good quality, if it doesn't, if it's a good place, if it's not, if the food, if the service, if the prices are good, if it's according to what is supposed to be charged. And if it is the case, it's going to be packed up, like the one that we've just seen right now. If it's too expensive, if the food's not very good, if the service not as much, but quality of food and prices are number one place to see. Some other international places here, Sweets and Bread, also a pastry/bakery place. This is more Spanish products too, but also international products. We've seen some from Venezuela, some Colombian products, so like more international type of things. But overall, absolutely incredible area. By the way, from here you can also get the bus to go to the city center, which is quite fast. Right there in front of us, there is already the traditional city center of Benidorm. And honestly, we could go walking through all this area. However, I get that people with mobility issues or with mobility difficulties, obviously having a public transport or a mobility scooter is the best option to go. However, it is truly worth it. If you want to see how locals live, if you're curious, if you want to see like typical hustle on a work day in Benidorm, what it really looks like, because city center and the Levante beach, they all look so touristic. It's It's like a different version of Benidorm, if you know what we mean. Absolutely different version of it. That a lot of the times has nothing to do with how locals actually live here. And if you're planning on relocating, maybe in the future, then that's very useful for you. Fast food places, kebab, pizza, also quite a lot out here. Kebab box plus a drink, €5, I think it was. That's not bad. It's actually quite cheap. There's way more expensive options out here in the area. On the left side, there's also Saltoki, which is a typical place that's known for tapas and drinks. Typical Spanish, 100%. This is a variation of going outside for tapeo, which is grabbing a drink plus tapa, or only tapas, board, or rations, like small portions of bigger food, like paella, you get a small portion to try it out. Or octopus with potatoes, you get a small portion of it. All these things are available for you out here. There's also a cabaret show, which I'm not sure if it's still open or not. It's here on the left side, right by the Saltoki. Quite a lot of people, especially older generations, love it because it's been here for years and years and years. And on the left side, by the way, is the Hospital Clinic Benidorm. And here on the right side, if you continue, it's the Poniente Beach if you go down up until the end. The Avenue Jaime I, also very important shopping avenue here. Mostly national tourists absolutely love it. Hairdressers, also for quite an affordable price. Nail salons, aesthetic clinics, children's playgrounds. By the way, right here behind there is a giant park, which is called a Park of Folletes. Ideal if you're coming with family, with small kids or grandkids, to spend a nice day outside. Really recommended. And overall, typical residential area that has very good prices, way cheaper than touristic locations. Authentic Spanish food, great service, playgrounds, green parks, tram station, bakeries. True character, you could say, of Benidorm, away from tourism, even though this is a touristic channel. But people love to explore Benidorm each time more and more. They're genuinely curious about where they are at and what else can you see out there except apart from touristic zones. And this is one of these areas. Really recommended for you to discover.